I'm Timothy Coe, lead photographer at Imagineering Studios in Arlington Heights, Illinois. And I am super excited to announce today that we are releasing next week the third course to the Mejor series. And this will finally complete the Mejor project series. And for a limited time next week, we are offering 25% off of the entire bundle together. So you get 25% off of all 3 courses together. If you haven't watched or if you haven't purchased any of these courses, they are really, I mean, it represents a lot of material. It's over 7 hours. I don't even know how much material we have in there right now. But we go through the entire process of creating a commercial product photography shoot, covering the pre-visualization sketch, where we sketch down and draw down concepts and things for the client to see. We present that, and then we take that sketch, take it into the studio, light everything, and I show you guys light by light how everything is set up. And afterwards, we've got, what's really cool about this, I've got 3D fly around, so you can look and see the lighting in 3D space. And we cover all sorts of things, different focal lengths, different camera angles, different, even using tilt shift lenses. And we've got splash stuff in there. There's just a lot of great material in there for you guys to learn from and for you guys to enjoy watching. So if you guys have not become members of Photigy Pro Corner yet, get in there. There's a lot of stuff that you can learn. Not just material, not just videos and stuff, but there's a huge community of people that are willing to work with you and to help you. And we're just a great group of people that are sharpening each other in this awesome art of product photography. So the Mejor Project Series, get it. You'll learn a lot, and it's a lot of fun. Together we can go in studio and learn how to create 3 really awesome product photos, all centered around this pink tequila. Again, my name is Tim Coe. Get out there, buy the course, and have fun shooting.